Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable brightness by swipe on the ReadEra application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. You just click to the upper left corner of the 3 line, scroll down the settings option, and the reading section you can find the brightness by swipe option, the adjust brightness by swiping up and down on the left side of the screen. Actually, I don't use this function, but if you want to turn off, click to the next white circle, and if it will be turned yellow, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.